Hey guys, this isn't my typical knife review or list video, but I always try to let you know when I come across a good deal on gear that I actually use and recommend. And with that in mind, TSProf's Father's Day sale started yesterday, and since I've been spending quite a bit of time on their sharpening systems and accessories recently, I thought I'd share the items that I personally think are worth a look in that sale. So rather than through every single item that's on the sale, I'm going to focus on the things that I either own, I have experience with, or the ones that I'm personally looking at myself. Um, so, uh, if you've been thinking about getting into a TSProf system or upgrading the one that you already have, let's take a look at the deals and see if there's something here for you. So first off, how can you not want to buy sharpening equipment from a guy that looks that happy? And he looks like he knows what he's doing when it comes to sharpening. But let's start out with the systems. So these are not specific to the Father's Day sale, but the Pioneer, the 2026 edition, is still running at that $246 price point that it's been running for a little while, which I think is a killer deal. And the TSProf Cadet Pro GE, which I recently reviewed, it is still running at the $398 price point, and those are just for the base systems. Not You're getting nothing special with those, but those are really awesome deals in my opinion. But with the Father's Day sale, both of those systems come with bundles currently, and so the Cadet bundle, you can see it comes with a few extras, and that includes a single center clamp and also the L attachments. Now, those are two of the accessories that I always recommend the most. I think they give you the most flexibility and just do a lot more for the system. And the most impressive part about that is you are still getting it for that $398 price point. So you're basically getting those accessories for free, which is really an amazing deal. Now, if you want to go with the Pioneer instead, the Pioneer also has a bundle, and that comes with fillet clamps, and those are the whole milled fillet clamps, and also the L attachments. And those that bundle will come in at $308. So you're not getting those for free like you are with the Cadet, but you're getting them at a significant discount, actually 50% off on those. So whether you want the Pioneer or the Cadet, they really have solid bundles for those going on right now. And the other thing, which you may have seen mentioned on both of those, is the gift knife sharpening course, and that is a sharpening course that TSProf has on their site. And I'm see if I can find it. Sorry, searching all these. Uh, nope. Okay, there we go. So it is a professional knife sharpening course. Now you can watch the first 3 lessons for free if you want to, even without making a purchase. You can see they have a bunch of different options down here. They go over knife anatomy, knife steels, but there's many videos, and it walks you through the actual process of sharpening. So if you're kind of new to sharpening, this could be invaluable. And you are getting this course for free with any of the bundles that I have mentioned so far, and you will have lifetime access to those videos. It isn't going to be something where you have a limited time to watch them. You're going to be able to watch those for as long as you want. Now, in addition to the Cadet and the um, Pioneer, they do also have the KO3 system with a Father's Day special, and as you can see, that comes with a set of quick clamps and also the knife sharpening course. And that comes in at $808, and that is a higher end system, a heavier duty system. So you expect that. And they also have the K4, which is their newest system, and arguably their most advanced system, and that comes with a gift single clamp and L attachments in this version, and that will come in at $1,328, which, as I mentioned, this is their highest end system, so that price is not surprising. And what I call the basically everything except the kitchen sink version of the K4. They call it the maximum, but it comes with, as you can see, um, it comes with their resin bonded diamond stones. You get a full set of screwdrivers. You get a bunch of different clamps and also the universal sharpening table, which can be used for sharpening scissors, chisels, and things like that. So, and you're also getting a case with this. Now, that comes in at $2,314, but you are saving $122 on that. And it is just a great all around system. And again, you get the free knife sharpening course with that. So, no matter what system you want to get, there is a deal right now going on their website. But it's not just the systems that are on sale. They also have some clamps and abrasives. So let's get into those. Now, the headliner on this for me is the quick clamps, and specifically it's the red lever clamps, as you can see here. And the quick clamps are great because they allow you to um, more quickly clamp knives down and remove them and things like that. And specifically, the red lever ones are $99 right now. And this, I think, is the first time that I have ever seen them come under $100. So this is really a killer deal on these. Now, they also have the matte quick clamps for $118. So that is still a pretty good deal on those. And they also have the quick fillet clamps, which are better for, your thinner knives that you really need to get a lower angle on. Those are $128, which is down from $160. So those are both solid deals. And last but not least, we will talk about the abrasives. So they have still one set in stock of their TSProf Alpha diamond stones, and these are resin bonded diamond stones. And they normally run $552, and they are currently running $497. So you're getting about 10% off on those. But the ones that I find the most intriguing, actually, out of the abrasives is what they call the Alpha End stones, and these are their narrow resin bonded diamond stones. And so these, instead of being the 1 inch wide, they are a 1/2 inch wide. And so what these are really, really useful for is for curved blades, recurved blades, and just, kind of your odd blade shapes that require a little bit more precision for getting inside those curves or those angles. And these normally run $370, and these are $333 right now. So out of the abrasives, these are the ones that I'm strongly considering, and that is because I don't have a set of narrow stones myself, and I do like to be able to sharpen my recurve blades. And that's just a little bit harder with a 1 inch stone. So those are the deals that stood out to me from this year's Father's Day sale. As always, I don't recommend buying something just because it's on sale. But if you're already considering a TSProf system, or if you've been looking at upgrading your current setup, this is probably one of the better opportunities that you'll have to save money. And you're also getting that knife sharpening course, which is a really, really good resource as a gift from any of those sharpener purchases. I'll have links down in the description for everything that I discussed here so that you can take a closer look for yourself. And I'd also love to hear from you guys. If you already have a TSProf system, let me know which accessories or upgrades you found to be the most worthwhile. And if you're considering picking one up during the sale, let me know which one you're looking at. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And I'm also thinking about doing a video like this for Amazon's Prime Days next week, just to look at what the best deals are as far as the gear that I recommend. And if you'd like to see that video, make sure to let me know down in the comments. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next one.